Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. How to cut onions without tears. Onion is a must-have set of products that can be found in any kitchen. It is actively used in cooking and is present in the recipe of many dishes. In fried, stewed, baked and any other form it is added to salads, appetizers and to the main dishes, to which it gives the original flavor and aroma. Preparation of onion. In general, the process is uncomplicated, but the cutting of onions for many is one big problem, because its characteristic smell causes tears. In order not to cry when cutting onions, someone scalding it with boiling water, others open the windows or go to extreme measure and put on protective goggles. There's really who's into that much. Experienced cooks do without folk tricks and cut an onion, and without batting an eyelash and not uttering a tear. It's time to take note of their tactics and start cutting onions without tears. Why do we cry? The onion cells contain enzymes and sulfur compounds. In the process of cutting the bulb, we break the integrity of these cells. This, in turn, triggers a chemical reaction between these substances. Isolated vapors irritate the mucous membrane of the eyes, and, trying to protect themselves from them, the body secures tears. The process of vapor formation cannot be stopped, but it is quite possible to neutralize their effect. How to avoid this? Cooling bulbs in the freezer, a lighted candle next to the cutting board and other hockey are aimed at in every way to reduce and slow the release of sulfur compounds. However, many chefs claim that it is much more important to initially cause the least damage to the cells of the onion. At the microscopic level for the onion cell, the blunt knife will look something like if a clove of garlic were crushed by a sledgehammer. Blunt blade simply crudely breaks the cells, which leads to intense release of onion vapors. Does it work in practice? In culinary affairs, few words are enough, so enthusiasts decided to test this theory in practice. For the experiment, a completely blunt knife was taken, which never met a grinding stone. A less blunt knife worked several months ago, and a sharpened knife. The first knife cooks managed to cut a few slices before they felt a burning sensation in their eyes. When trying to continue working, the eye began to pinch even harder and tears rolled down hill. In general, cutting a bow with a blunt knife was comparable to grinding the grass in a mortar with a pestle. With the second knife and the fight with the onion, it was possible to hold out a little longer. For about a minute it was quite comfortable to cut the bulb into slices. Further cutting into smaller pieces turned into a heart-wrenching tear to the tears. True, it was a bit better with red onions, it was completely without tears. Armed with a sharp knife, the cooks proceeded to another onion cutting. Turning a large bulb into a hill of small pieces took about 2 minutes. During the cutting process, there was no discomfort, a slight burning sensation in the eyes appeared only after the bulb was sliced. We cut without tears. When cutting a bow, a sharp knife ensures accurate and even cuts. Cells are damaged less, so the concentration of enzymes in the air will be lower. In addition, the cutting time itself is shortened. To hold out even longer without tears, to the sharp knife you can add an old proven method and periodically wet the blade with cold water. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.